Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. In my primary scenario, I have adjusted the count so that it basically matches with Bitcoin's and Ethereum's count, because it works out quite well if I'm looking at the subdivisions of the waves. Of course, there is an alternative scenario, but before there are any misunderstandings, I haven't changed anything to the previous video. So the count is still as it is. It just happens that it is pretty much in line with what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. We have one scenario that I'm following currently primarily, in which I'm counting the move up that started on the 10th of March and goes all the way up to the 15th of April as a wave one of a leading diagonal, okay, which would be bullish because it is a so-called motive wave going into the direction of the higher level trend. It is very messy price action, very untidy, and therefore it could also be a B wave, which would be slightly more bearish, which would lead to a deeper drop, but overall could still be bullish because the move that started on the 16th of February to the downside on the 10th of March could have been an A wave, the move up could have been a B wave, the move down could have been a C wave, or could currently be a C wave. And then we would have a 5-wave move to the downside, yeah. But it's a bit too early to really talk about that, to confirm that. At the moment, I'm primarily watching that leading diagonal scenario, that the move up was a wave one, and we're currently coming down in an A wave of that wave one into the yellow target zone between 33.3 cents and 38 cents. We should then get a bounce shortly in a B wave. At the moment, the target range or resistance range for this B wave is between 42 cents and 44.4. And then we should get a C wave to the downside. And ideally, it's holding 33 cents. This would be an ideal structure for a wave two. Now, we know that structures, especially if they are corrective, they often are not ideal. So this is an idealized roadmap. Please understand that they are not like, okay, this is absolutely going to happen. It's all about probabilities, but this is sort of how I view this at the moment. If anything diverges from that, then it would be a warning that something else is going on. So again, Elliott wave would give us a warning here quite quickly. At the moment, my view is, if we zoom in, that we still are in this A wave and that we have completed off this 15th of April high, a wave one, a wave two, a wave three. And here it's now where it's getting a little bit unclear, because it could be, and it's currently my assumption for Bitcoin and Ethereum, that this wave four is already complete, yeah, with the latest high, which was printed at around 39.8 cents. Or, and that's another interpretation, that the wave four is still ongoing as a so-called Elliott wave triangle. So either it's this ABC structure already complete, or, and that's just another possibility based on the structure, and because a wave 4 often is a triangle, that we're getting something like an A, B, C, D, E triangle, and that means we might get one more lower high, and then we could sell off in a fifth wave. This is sort of just an idea how this could be unfolding. But either way, it shows weakness and it shows potential for another low. And unless we go above the 41.3 cent level, I assume we are still in the wave four, unless we make another low, because then we could complete the fifth wave. Targets for the fifth wave, possibly 36 cents. Is the golden ratio. That would be quite deep for an A wave, unfortunately, but it seems like it is what it is because we are already at the 50% retracement. Other levels to watch. Take the Fibonacci extension tool. Two more levels to watch are 36.35 cents. It's the 1-to-1 ratio. So basically wave 1 and wave 5 have the same length. And the other one is 36.6 cents and then 34.6. They are all possible ways to calculate targets, but the lower we go, the more challenging it would be for this scenario, because the A wave would simply go too long. We would then need to rethink the structure here and maybe think about alternatives. But yeah, that's my update about ADA at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.